welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another washer video. I got a question on one of my videos if I had used the soak feature, and I have not. I actually overlooked it when I replied to that comment, and somebody else said you have it, so I came back and looked, and I do in fact have it. And I was looking at the quick start guide and there was no information about it, and then I noticed this little detail right here. For complete information, please visit whirlpool.com/owners, and that includes a full cycle guide. So I am going to insert a screen recording right here of where exactly you go, what you click on, and then we will talk through the various cycles and when to use them. I navigated over to whirlpool.com/owners, and this is what the screen looked like on my phone. Then you're going to enter the model number. My model is WTW4816FW. So I typed that in and clicked on it. And it brought me to the next screen, which is going to show the various documents that are associated with this model. This is a picture of the washing machine. You can see it's available at Lowe's, which that's for sure mine because I bought it at Lowe's. And keep scrolling, you'll get to the manuals and documentation. They have the owner's manual for you to go ahead and download, the energy guide, as well as warranty information. Scroll down to the additional documents and you'll see the quick start guide that I've been sharing with you and the cycle guide. That's what we're going to look at today. So this is the cycle guide. It is for the top loading washer cycle. You can see that there are categories: items to wash, cycle, temperature, spin speed, and a description. So you can see for lightly soiled fabrics, you want to use the quick wash on warm. It has a high spin speed. This is to quickly wash a small number of lightly soiled items. I use that one all the time. For things that need to be hand washed, you want to use the delicate cycle on cold, and they have a low spin speed. It says use this cycle for lightly soiled garments, indicating machine washable silks, or gentle cycle in the care of label. Then for no iron fabrics, you can use the casual cycle. For brightly or darkly colored casuals and mixed loads, which is what I, again, usually use for, when I'm putting all the kids' clothes in there, it says cold wash on cold temperature. So I have been using that on quick wash, so I probably need to switch over to cold wash after reading through this. And then we have cottons, linens, and mixed garment loads. Again, I've been using quick wash. I might need to switch over to normal for those loads. So it says to use that for normally soiled cottons and mixed fabric loads. We also have the super wash load. This is for heavily soiled sturdy fabrics, towels, and jeans. And this is maximum water temperature and water levels while using the most aggressive washing actions. So that would be for towels and, sheets, I guess, that are soiled a lot. We also have the heavy duty cycle, the large bulk item cycle. For sheets, I have been using that for our sheets. So that'll be when I continue to use. It fills the washer with enough water to wet it all the way down to the bottom, which is great. We have hand washing items that should be on drain and spin. So I totally messed up and did not do that and messed up a shirt because I put it on delicate instead of drain and spin. Probably should do that for the hand washing items in the future. And then we also have rinse and spin for swimsuits and other items. So again, that's a good one to notate because my kids swim, and instead of just hang drying their stuff, on a hanger, I can put it in this rinse and spin cycle, which will be nice. Next is the cycle that prompted this entire video, the soak cycle. This is for heavily soiled fabrics. You should use it on cold, and there is no spin. So this cycle is to soak small spots of set-in stains on fabrics. The washer uses intermittent agitation and soaking. After the time expired, water will drain, but the washer will not spin. The cycle is complete. If you want to set a follow-up cycle, select drain and spin and add additional detergent and select a cycle based on fabric type. And then there is also a clean washer setting, which we will discuss later. And by later, I mean in another video. Okay, so some sort and prepare your laundry, empty your pockets, sort items by recommended cycle, treat stains properly, etc., etc. And then it just gives you some more information on the wash temps, description, and suggested fabrics. So I do wish that this guide had come with the washer initially. It took me a couple of months of having it to get around to downloading it. But this is some good information. I will leave a screenshot at the end of this video. If for some reason you guys aren't able to get onto the website, you can just pause the video and take a screenshot of the guide, and hopefully that will help you out in determining what cycles you guys need. I hope you guys found that helpful. I sure did, because I think I've been doing my towels on the wrong wash. I should be using a super wash. But like I said, if you guys found the video helpful, be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye!